Kelsey bought 6 pieces of land for $701,500 each. How much money did she spend? All right, well, if she buys 6 groups of things that cost $701,500, you're going to multiply these two numbers together. So we're going to do 6 times $701,500. Now I'm going to set this up using the standard math algorithm, but I'm always going to put my larger number up top. You're allowed to do that. 701,500 times 6. Now when we multiply, we take our digit, we multiply it to every digit up here, remembering that we might have to carry over a few times. 6 times 0 is 0. Okay. 6 times 0 is 0. Okay. 6 times 5 is 30. So we write out our 0, carry over a 3. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 times 0 is 0. And 6 times 7 is 42. So since that's our last digit, we're going to write all of 42 out. Now we count from the right, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, and we end up with 4,209,000. Now since this is a word problem and it's asking how much money did we spend, well, we're going to say $4,209,000. And that is how much Kelsey spent. Kelsey's rich.